What's up, my ninjas? This is the Internet Income Ninja bringing value to you from wherever you are in the world, whatever time of day. I hope you are making money online because that's what we're here to talk about. And in this video, I'll be reviewing one such way that you can be making money online. The time of this video is 11:17 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the what you call it right. So whenever you're watching this, you can reference your time on your watch and what day or date it is. But as of 11:17 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the 15th of November 2021, this this job post was posted 3 hours ago, so roughly 8 p.m. It is a full-time role and they welcome all international personnel. Now, there are cases where they say international and they mean, just people from this geographical region, like say North, Central, and South America. This one is fully international, all right? But based on the company, they do want people who speak English, however you pronounce it, wherever you're from. Hey, you just want the money, right? No. The name of the company is called All Turtles, and you may think to yourself, "Oh, what the heck kind of name is that?" Well, let's look at their website. And I encourage you to look at their website because you will pick up on a lot of things from their website that you can use in your interview should you apply for this role. Okay, so as that loads, All Turtles, we make products, uses cookies. I'll just decline just because we make products that matter. Um, mm-hmm. Create, edit, and share awesome video instantly. So it's an um, AI creating company or video editing company, but they do create generally AI stuff. Um, Tasseled, helping high school students plan a path to college at the lowest possible cost. Okay. Carrot, flexible, inclusive fertility benefits for every employee. And if you keep scrolling, you'll see what they have to offer as a company and what the culture is like based on the type of things that they find important. Okay, so um, that's All Turtles website. However, I did go a step further because when I saw the name All Turtles, I thought, is All Turtles a real company? I had to look it up, and it says All Turtles is an early stage product studio. The products we make strive to make a positive impact on the world. With a design-led approach and simple, direct business models, we're a fully distributed team with team members across the United States and in many countries internationally. All right, so All Turtles has a LinkedIn. Use right there so you can read up on them through LinkedIn. They are on Wikipedia, and we just saw the website, so you see that the link is of a different color from all the other links because it was clicked. We just saw it. All right, I am a real boy. Seems real. So if you're ever wondering what the heck kind of name is this reminds me of a couple years ago where this guy and his wife had a baby and they named the baby hashtag. That's the baby's first name. So this little girl is running around the place with her name being hashtag. Interesting names in these modern times, right? Right. Um, right. So back to the lead. You will be a creative recruiter for the company. That's the official title, creative recruiter at All Turtles. Again, full-time and international applicants are accepted. So, again, it's remote, but it's global. Now, All Turtles is an early stage product studio. We solve clear, meaningful problems felt by people and companies alike with an eye toward the future of health and work. That's why you would see the fertility thing that we were scrolling through and we saw the vitality thing, right? That's why they had that. Now, the products we make strive to make a positive impact on the world with a design-led approach and simple direct business models. We're a fully distributed we're a fully distributed team with team members across the United States and in many countries internationally. As a creative recruiter at All Turtles, you'll help grow and support the team of wonderful people that design our products. Since we're a small team, your responsibilities will run the full range of recruiting and hiring tasks, from sourcing candidates to the interview, offer, and hiring processes. So if you only thought you were just going to sit there and interview people, no. If you want to do just that, then don't apply. If you're okay doing all of this stuff, go ahead. So all my HR people, this is for you. You'll also get to work with our fabulous recruiting coordinators who will support your work and help you move more quickly. You'll help identify ways we can stay competitive in a tight recruiting market while staying consistent with our values. You'll work closely with a talent acquisition manager to implement efficient and empathetic processes to identify talent. As a TA, team member in a growing startup, you'll build the foundation of our talent acquisition. That's what TA stands for. You'll build the foundation of our talent acquisition function and adapt it to a rapidly changing environment so that the team can effectively support growth and offer a great experience to both candidates and hiring managers. We're anticipating 100% year-over-year growth for the next few years, so we're looking for an ambitious colleague to help us achieve our goals. You'll be responsible for, and these are your duties on a daily basis. You'll be responsible for sourcing and recruiting for roles across the organization with an emphasis on creating roles, design, marketing, and others. Finding new and innovative ways to source top-level talent. Professionally representing All Turtles and as well as our portfolio companies, and providing candidates with both a clear understanding of our work and philosophy and a great end-to-end interview experience. Understanding the roles, priorities, and needs of your hiring managers and creating a sourcing strategy to attract the right talent. You'll work closely with hiring managers to establish trust and provide them with structure and information throughout the hiring process. Providing feedback, suggestions, and input to the talent acquisition manager and team to improve the effectiveness of the recruitment process in the organization. You'll develop a deep understanding of the business and what we need, and applying that understanding to further the growth and evolution of the team. You'll represent our business in a candidate-focused boutique approach way. Ideally, you'll have experience with, and this is your qualifications, you'll have experience with both high volume recruitment and niche specialist searches. Experience with creative roles from product designers to content designers, marketing operation managers to brand strategists, and all in between. So you're working with a lot of creative roles there. Successful track record of using different sourcing methods and techniques with in-depth experience with LinkedIn Recruiter, Greenhouse or Lever, and a variety of sourcing tools and job boards. A collaborative approach with a focus on knowledge sharing. An inquisitive mind with a strong desire to learn new things and improve existing processes. High growth startup experience. Experience working as part of a distributed team. Excellent written and verbal communication skills. Problem solving, attention to detail, and time management skills. Now, the creative recruiter role is a full-time position reporting to the head of people. That's the role, head of people. Okay? This role can be based in any location globally. Since our distributed team works across the US and the EU, East Coast US based applicants are preferred. Alright? Now, if you're on East Coast time, like Eastern Standard Time, perfect. I know they said US, but if you're in that time zone, and that's why they said if you they work with the US and the EU, the European Union, or countries within those regions. they're saying that East Coast US based applicants are preferred. Okay. We offer comprehensive health, dental, and vision insurance to our employees and their dependents, as well as a suite of optional benefits and perks, programs including parental leave and flexible paid time off. Now, I do not work for this company, I am not affiliated with this company. I do recognize that people think it's hard to find work online. My philosophy is to build a business, even if you have a job. If your job does what you like or love or whatever, there's no problem in having a job. My belief is that you should not ever have one source of income. Look at 2020. Many people who had their jobs who thought they were quote unquote secure financially were thrown out of their jobs just like that. Not necessarily because the company wanted to, but if there's no company to work for, then how can you get paid? Companies went under, people got laid off. Don't ever have one source of income. And that's why I call myself the Internet Income Ninja, because I'm always looking for ways online to make money. In fact, I am working on building several streams of income that make money passively, semi-passively, and actively. Okay? Eventually I want to switch to completely passive, but if I like something and I want to do it daily, I have no problem doing it daily. Capiche? Awesome sauce. So, right. So, this takes us to the end. If you are interested in this role, hit that button, apply for the job. Let's hit the button. Did you watch Men in Black, where the guy said, that red button, that little red button? And Jay is like, yeah, never push that little red button. That's funny. We're pushing the blue button. So what it does is it takes us to the career page of All Turtles. You can see it here, allturtles.com, right? And we can view or review the thing. It's reviewing what we just went through. And near the bottom, you will see sign in with LinkedIn. So you can actually sign in and fill this out with LinkedIn. All right? And I guess the relevant fields will be populated with your information from LinkedIn. But to do it the snail way, or the traditional way, is doing things online traditional? Traditional would be on paper, right? Whatever. To do things how it was done before LinkedIn. Enter your name, your other stuff, right? Email address, phone number, attach your resume, CV, Dropbox, whatever, paste, whatever link. Wherever your thing is, you can attach it from those various means. And speaking of resumes and cover letters and curriculum vitae, if you have trouble with that as well, there is a link in the description to a website known as Canva. Canva is free, absolutely free, and what it does, it offers you hundreds of templates for resumes and hundreds of templates for cover letters and hundreds of templates for curriculum vitae and hundreds of templates for birthday cards and business cards and TikTok video edit stuff and Instagram posts. You can create Instagram posts. You can create thumbnails for stuff. You can do birthday cards. You can create so many different things. Journals, planners, calendars. For free. You have no excuse. Check it. Build your resume. If the template is there. If it says name, just enter your name. It says age, enter your age. Address, enter your address. It's never been that simple. Download the file, upload it to here where it says attach. Click attach, upload your file. You're good to go. Again, did I say it's free? So click the link and use Canva for free to get your thing up and running. All right. So you'll enter all this information, LinkedIn profile, website, yada yada, blah blah blah. Read through all this stuff, gender, racial stuff. Are you Hispanic or Latino? They go through, their disclosure about sexual status and all that, veteran status and no discrimination and all that jazz. All right, this is what all of this is for. Health issues. And that when you're done, hit submit, and your thing is sent off, and you can rest easy. No! Apologies if that was loud, but no. Don't rest easy. Look for other jobs. Scroll through my other videos. See what else is there to be had. See what other leads I've posted and try and apply it to those ones. If the lead is already taken, you can follow the link. The same website I've been posting the lead from potentially has other things you may be interested in. You can also click the other links in the description below if you want to set up your passive income stream of money. Click the link, set it up. In the meantime, who knows? Maybe your online passive thing is doing better than your active HR type job, and you decide that you want to just promote products and make money from people's products. Maybe that's what you choose to do. The point is, don't sit down waiting for one opportunity. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Never, ever, ever do that. I'm guaranteeing you that there are hundreds of people applying for this position, and that company is going to be looking out for their best interest by hiring who they think is the best person for the job. You need to also vet the company to see if they are a good fit for you. And if they're not, what will you do in the meantime until you find a job? Your job is to either find a job, or your job is to build a business that will create the income to provide for yourself and your family if you have one. And until that business gets off the ground, you may need a side hustle, or you may need a job. May. It's up to you. You can do whatever you want. This is not financial advice. I am not giving you financial advice. Don't listen to me if you don't want to. This is just an opinion. It's not facts. I am not telling you you must do this to make money. I'm just sharing my opinion about these things and helping you to make money online. So if you appreciate the content I've shared, it's free to hit the subscribe button. It's free to smash the notification bell. It's free to like the video. It's free to comment. It's free to share. Free. Go ahead and show some love. It's free. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've watched to the end, you are awesome. You are a true ninja who has mastered the skill of patience. Shoot. My respects. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Happy making money online, guys. I'll see you around. Peace.